Hello, wonderful people. My name is Mike Howell, and judging from today's title of the video, you're probably getting interested, Mike Howell wrapping a car, eh? Well, part of a car. But today is going to be a thrill of an experience. I mean, I think it's the first time I'll be wrapping. I've done a lot of research, and yeah, we're going to go from there. Alright, so we have arrived. Ken, if you want to say hello to the camera.
Hello.
We are here with this beautiful Integra Acura, not Integra.
Well, Integra DC5.
I just made a bad impression. You know what, how about you just tell a little bit about the car?
Well, this is my RSX Type S Acura. It's been a work in product.
When someone gets put on the camera, we can't say anything.
Yeah, right? Recently, I just changed the hood, headlights, got a lip, has a couple stuff done to the engine, and exhaust, seats, everything pretty much has been done to it at this point. It wasn't an accident when I bought it. Yeah, it's gotten much better shape than when I had it. But today,
Agreed.
Today we'll be doing this.
Yes. Now, this is our first time wrapping, so we don't know what's going to happen, but I've done the research, everything, so it should be fine, right? Should be fine. Yeah, it's going to be fine.
Yeah, let's just see.
I think, do we need to open up the trunk?
For this, no, because it was just a stick-on, I think.
Oh, hello, spider.
Alright. There we go. There we go.
See, no one needs to screw stuff in. You just need to stick it on.
Actually, they don't make a duckbill for an RSX.
Oh. Fun fact, they don't make duckbills, so either stick it on or bolt it on. Well, I mean, you wouldn't want to ruin
Nobody makes one to bolt on the
Right.
duckbill for the RSX.
Alright,
So you have to get it custom made. So now, we pretty much are on this step. We just got to pull off this emblem. So flathead screwdriver.
flathead, got it.
Perfect.
Oh, that was easy.
Whew.
Oh, okay then.
I was a little bit scared it was gonna break, I'm not gonna lie.
Let's go see. Let's take an inside look. This is what it looks like from the inside, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, we'll do an interior tour probably later on. There's this big boy exhaust. Who's this, the exhaust by?
HKS high power, yeah.
HKS muffler, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, we gotta clean this now. That's basically what we're gonna do.
Yes, alright, so this is gonna be a weird tutorial, but step one is cleaning your surface or prepping it before anything goes on.
See, I watched a video once, I think,
Was it Donut video?
Actually, about the license plate thing.
Yes, I did see that. Oh no, my identity!
Yeah, but
Follow Donut, no, actually, follow us, then follow Donut Media.
Yeah, yeah.
If we're sponsored by them, then yeah, we'll say follow Donut Media first, but we're not. I'm just gonna waste up so much space doing this improv stuff. But you know what the thing is about film? You want to have like engagement with the audience. You want to make them laugh or something silly like that. So let me catch you up. We just washed the hood, trunk, redo. We just washed the trunk, and now we're planning out where we're gonna start putting the wrap on first, and then we'll go from there. I think this is like a clear coat. Yeah, protective film. Wow. That's pretty rad. This is cool.
Oh, just I mean, it's just satisfying, you know?
Very satisfying. Alright, so we're going to do a little bit of experimenting because we just took off the protective film on the wrap, and yeah, we are now going to experiment and see how the heat gun will react, or how the wrap will react to the heat gun, because you know what? Testing is always needed, because if you do it first and it looks bad, yeah, that's on you. Oh, isn't that lovely, ladies and gentlemen? Look at that. Oh, we're gonna be so bad at this. All right, let's try it with the heat gun. This is experiment to see how it will react. Ta-da! The cruddy test result. So we now know that when we apply it, these little lines, I don't know if you can see them, these lines right here are from like these creases. So I think our recommendation is, what is my recommendation? put on the wrap, and if you start seeing crevices, add a little bit of heat and stretch it out so that way you don't get those lines, or else when you do the finish part, you're gonna have these nasty lines everywhere and it's gonna show in the light. Also, this is a real carbon fiber hood for anyone who wants to say, oh, it's a wrap. No, this is actual carbon fiber hood, right?
Yeah.
Yes, confirmed, because lightweight is lightweight. And, you know, carbon fiber is cool. Who doesn't want carbon fiber? Is wow. All right, let me add a little bit of stretch to it. Yep, careful about the lines and everything so we don't get crevices.
You just want to start from the middle. Yeah, and then just push out because there's actually holes.
Right. So we can then use that as our exacto point. Clean cut. Look at that so far. Look at this. I mean, it's almost done. Yeah, this part, we'll scuff that out. But so far, this is the progress we've made. And then after that, we're going to tuck it in, throw on the badges, cut out the reflector light, and I think we'll be good after that, right?
Oh, yeah, man.
This has definitely been a great experience. Wrapping is not as easy as it seems, especially if you're outdoors. Depends.
Oh, yeah. Definitely, I would recommend doing it on a hot day, though. Like, if it was cold out, I think this would have been even harder.
Wrap needs to stretch in order to get around the curves and everything, as you can tell, because when we do a close-up shot, you'll see all like the body panels right here. This part is our final part that we're just working out. We're just taking a little bit of a breather because we've done a lot so far for this trunk. And this is only the trunk. That's the thing.
Yeah, which I think it was a hard part since we had one curve and then the RSX actually has like a pop out right here, so it has another curve.
Yeah.
Again, which makes it not too easy. And but hey, it was both of our first time wrapping.
Oh yeah, I think it's turning out decent. I mean, there's gonna be like little imperfections, but hey, it's not bad for the first time.
Little imperfections, and we're like the most amateur that you possibly can be. We're
sure.
YouTube videos. That's as much as we both.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna be bullied so hard by our car community eventually. Probably there's gonna be like, you can't do like that. Well, we did. It's not good, but hey, we can learn from this, right?
Yeah, definitely. And also, you can even see on this side compared to this side, like we had some scuff marks over here, 0 scuff marks on this side.
Right, because we were doing, you know, the imperfections and we figured out everything else from there.
Yeah, we figured it out better. But yeah, no, it was fun.
All right. And that is a wrap. Okay, hold on a second.
So I just had to mock stuff on.
Anyway, point is that we've completed the wrap, and I don't think it came out too bad. I mean, we could do better, but
Oh yeah, we'll do it again.
we'll definitely. But it's not bad for our first run here. We're gonna go and wash it down, you know, give it a bit of a shine, and we'll go from there. Also, this is a 3D printed badge that we specially made for the car because why not? Hopefully it shouldn't fall off.
Yeah.
I don't think it will.
Hopefully.
Other than that, it looks great.